morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook sarsyadong isda. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, eggs, fish, water, spring onions, white onions, tomatoes, and garlic. First, we're gonna put the garlic. And then next, the onions. And the green onions. Okay, guys. So, after the onions, we're gonna put a little soy sauce, just a little. And then oyster sauce. And then I'm gonna get cubes, and then we're gonna cover first until it boils. Okay, we're gonna add the egg because I already fried the fish. Okay. Fish. Okay, guys, you're gonna add the fish. Okay, that's the sarsadong isda. It's yummy. Okay, guys. So that's our sarsyadong isda. Sarsyadong isda. Okay. I'm going to taste the soup. Oh, it's our sarsyadong isda. Okay. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, and personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching.